I got so much more.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you.
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh!
Fucking design all right now. Bring it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts to the block. Bitches on my line, and you know
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Nizar Palapalitiansyah. You can call me Nizar. Today I will explain about of material religion. So I want to take one of the material of religion about orphan. What should take of orphan is food. Donation are perfect for orphans and they can be used in a variety of ways. Future and bedding. 2, 3 clothing and hygiene. 4 book and educational material. 5 game and activity. 6 computer lab or digital classroom. What are the problems of orphans? The absence of parental and development and adult attention are thought to be the cause of the issue. What can make orphan happy? So we can need to feel that there is someone who so concerned towards them. I think that's enough to bring them happiness. The best gift for children is not money or parents but time. So that's for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.